Om Sai Ram to all my Baba lovers out there. So today I like reading something related to Baba before I start my readings. I don't know why. So today I was reading where about Dwarka Mai, because it says that Dwarka Mai was open to everyone. In Dwarka Mai, anyone could come, any caste, any religion, any creed, people, anyone could come, and it was more like you need to connect with the Guru to get his blessings. Now people who came there were business people, ministers, a lot of people came there. In fact, in Baba's Dwarka Mein, you would see Baba talking to them, joking with them, smoking his chillam because he used to like chillam pipe. So smoking with them, he danced with them, sang with them. He never knew what it is or who it is. And more than anything, he never tried to show that I am the God. He used to always be like a commoner with them. Only one thing I used to always, why I always, for certain courses, I'm very very clear that they have to come and meet me in Chennai and do is because even I believe in this, that you need to have a connect with your guru, because all said and done, whoever came to meet Baba, with whomever he sat, he joked, be it Raja ya Rank. When we say Raja ya Rank, be it the rich or the poor, be it anyone, they all knew one thing, that he is protecting them. They all knew one thing, that he is with them. And they all knew one thing, that at every point of time, he will remain with them, because Baba had told everyone over there, that even if I am not there in this world, even if my physical body leaves this world, my emotional body, my grave will always speak to those who come and speak to me. My grave will give answers to those who seek for answers. And sometimes when I connect with this concept of Guru and Dwarka Mai, I always feel everyone doesn't get a guru. You should be blessed to get a guru. I was blessed in my life to get a beautiful, beautiful guru. Though she is not there anymore, I still always have a feel that she is out there looking out at me, blessing me. And for me, I used to always say my guru's words are patthar ki lakir. I would never ever think of anything at all for the reason of what she said and why she said. And same way Baba used to have that, when I am telling you something, it is for your good. And if you're not going to understand that, then it is your karma and not mine. It is your suffering and not mine. But if you listen to me and understand me, then I'm sure you are going to understand the reason behind why I give you some punishments, why I postpone certain things for you, and why there is a delay in few things which you ask me to give and then I don't give. So always remember one thing, be it Baba or be it your own guru, whatever they do, do for good, but in turn be loyal towards your guru, be loyal towards Baba, have the patience, and I'm sure Baba is going to love you, and you will see him dancing in your dreams, singing with you in the dreams, laughing with you in the dreams, and you will be in bliss. Okay, now coming to cards, let's see what the cards have got. Oh, this card keeps coming back whenever I do readings most of the time. So let me show you this card. Baba says, I will come in any form. So as I said, if you call on him, if you are always loyal to him, you will see him coming in many forms. Pay off your old debts and try not to accumulate new ones. Sometimes now this debt does not have to be a money related debt. Sometimes we do a mistake, we know we are doing a mistake, okay, but we don't have the heart to go and say sorry for the mistake we have done. Sometimes we do certain things which we know we are not supposed to do, and we decide that next time we will not do, but what we do is again we do the same mistake, and again we go back seeking for forgiveness, and again we accumulate karmas in our life. So Baba says, don't accumulate karmas, finish off your debts, pay off your debts. Now when we say pay off your debts, okay, if it is finances, you pay with money, right? But if it is not finances, then how do you pay? You pay with gratitude, you pay with forgiveness, you go and ask for forgiveness at times, or you forgive the person who has hurt you. So today, if you feel there is someone who has hurt you or whom you have hurt, don't hesitate to ask for forgiveness. Don't hesitate to go to them and tell them you're sorry for whatever you did. And don't hesitate to go and tell them that I am sorry, but I know I have done a mistake and I shall not repeat it. Today, if possible, pick up some pedas and donate it to poor people. If you do that, Baba will also be happy. Also today, if possible, I don't tell people to go to Baba's temple on a Thursday, but sit in front of Baba and just read a few pages from Sai Satcharitra. If you don't have the Sai Satcharitra, then just go online and you will find Sai Satcharitra there, and just read whatever Baba wants you to read, and I'm sure you will get the answers for what this karmic debt means, and you will get the answers for when you ask how the manifestation is going to happen. So I hope you all are resonating the reading, and I once again pray that Baba blesses you all, Baba give you loads and loads of happiness, and Baba fulfill all your wishes. Om Sai Ram.